Let's go. This is pretty awesome. This is really fun. I gotta say that it's really, really fun. So let's do a quick breakdown of this beautiful thing. Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super cool 15.5 miles per hour scooter that this man sent to me for this video. And I've been trying, and I think it is fantastic. Not only because, number one, it is super easy to use. Number two, come on, 15.5 miles per hour in this size is actually pretty cool. I have to say that it's pretty cool. Number three, there is no assembly needed. This thing is foldable. You can just fold it, take it to the train, take it to commuting, put it in the trunk of your car or something like that, take it to places, the park, the beach. I don't know, if you're going to friends and family houses and want to have fun with your kids or something like that, you can do it. And also, this thing, besides it goes fast, it comes with really good features. For example, app control and also lights. Okay, so check this out. Once that you have the app, I actually rebooted the app just now. You can see that, number one, you can name your scooter. Mine is called Rocket now. And it's going to tell you the battery left. It's also going to tell you how much time you have been riding. I rebooted it kind of like a minute ago or something like that. And then you're also going to find the endurance mileage and the total mileage overall. Also, you can lock it, and then you can switch the gears with the app if you want, low, mid, and high. But again, you can do that with the actual scooter as well. And then you can see if the headlights are on and off, and you can turn them on and off from here as well. So the app, I think it is just fantastic to have. It's going to actually give you, I don't know, like a peace of mind, I want to say, just like to make sure that you have control of the whole thing. And of course, when you're putting it to charge, which by the way, this one is 300 watts, the scooter is 300 watts. So it's actually going to charge pretty fast, I have to say. And it's going to give you a really nice autonomy as well. And talking about the scooter here, you're going to find the lock for folding it. Once that you fold it, you can lock it with a lock that you can put over here. Once that you put it that way, it's going to lock with this one. And you can just lift it. You can lift it. It's not very heavy, so you can lift it and make sure that you can take it with you again to the train or the bus or something like that for commuting. Also, this platform right here that supports more than 250 pounds, this one is super resistant, but at the same time, it has a really nice rubber grip. So it's going to be pretty good for you to just step into it, put your 2 feet, and have control over it. As well as the grip over here has a really nice kind of like rubber grip, and brakes over here as well. In the digital display, and we talked about that one before, the size that comes with really thick and solid 8.5 inches tire wheels, like tires, actually not tire wheels, right here, which are going to be really good for kind of like different type of terrain. And here you can take a better look at the digital display. Short power right here. You're going to short press. You're going to turn it on, off in this case because it was on. Short press again. You're going to turn it on. And then with just one click, you're going to see this one right here. You're going to turn on and on the lights, so you can have the lights right here. It also comes with brake lights at the back. And then with double click, you can change the gears right here to medium and then high. I'm going to put it in high. And let's actually take it for a ride. But again, the grip is really good. Digital display, the brakes, and for sure, with the app connected, is going to be a blast. This thing is so cool. It's so fun. It's so easy to ride. With 5 miles per hour, this thing is a blast. It's always going to be a blast. Anyway, did I talk about the suspension? This thing is so fun. I'm not joking. It's actually really fun. So, again, one more time. Brake test right here. Yeah, I gotta say that this thing, it is fantastic. So check it out, because for 15.5 miles per hour, you're gonna have so much fun. You're gonna have a blast, but always keep it protected over here and have fun with this fantastic scooter.